Guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, thank you for watching. If you are returning, thank you so much for coming back. I wanted to give you guys a Mardi Gras Carnival inspired look. This is the season for looks like this, so why not jump in and have some fun too. So this look is super easy to follow. The gems that I have on my face, I bought them from Amazon. They're pretty much affordable, and the rest of the products that I have on my skin will be listed in the description box below. Please hit that thumbs up button to let me know that you guys enjoy videos like this, and I'll create more content like this. Without further ado, let's jump into the video to see how I created this beautiful Mardi Gras Carnival inspired look. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys. Starting off from freshly washed face, my skin is already moisturized. I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows with my Huda Beauty eyebrow pencil in the shade Black Brown, and I'll be right back. I went ahead and cleaned up my eyebrows using the NARS Soft Matte Concealers in the shade Amande for the top, since that's closer to my skin tone, and for the bottom I use Caramel. Next, I'm going to go ahead and base my eyelids with my LOUISE base in Rumor number 5. Here we are going to play with another one of Odens Eye Cosmetics palette. This is the Giant Wolf palettes, and we are going to start off using a Blaze. I am going to use my Makeup Shack T88 brush, and I'm going to place that in my crease. Next, I'll be deepening up that crease using the shade Howling. It's like a deep purple. Next, I'll be using my finger to use the color Skull. I'm going to use this in the middle of my eyelid. Let's see what we get. Then we're going to use the shade Hattie, if I'm saying that right. I'm going to use that in the inner third. And blend it in with that other shimmer color. Next, I'm just going to go back over the edges using that pinky purplish color from before, whatever is left over on my brush, so just the edges wouldn't look so harsh. Go ahead with my L'Oreal Paris gel eyeliner in the shade Black. And I'm going to use this with a Sonia Kashuk angle brush just to align my upper lash line. And I'm going to blend that black liner into that deep purple. And what I'm going to do next, I'm going to further intensify that corner using the black eyeshadow from the palette and fade the end of the liner, the black liner, into that purple so it all looks seamless. I'm also applying that black shadow over the liner to further deepen it. I'm using a Makeup Shack brush T87, and that's that for the top of the eye. I'm going to go ahead and complete the rest of my face off camera. The face is completed. We're going to go ahead and finish the eyes, and I went ahead and applied my lashes as well. And the lashes that I use is my same old lashes I get from Amazon. It's the Lashes Me Kiwi brand. I don't know the number that it is, but this is what the label looks like. So we're gonna go ahead and complete the rest of the eyes. I'm going back in with my palette with this Blaze color. We're gonna smoke the lower lash line, and I'm using a MAC 242S brush for this. Next, I'm going to go in with a flat brush, my Morphe E4 3 brush, and I'm going to use the Howling color, and we're going to smoke out the lower lash line, but only halfway through, as close to the lash line as possible, and connecting it to that upper corner right there. Next, we're going to go in with a tiny bit of the black, even closer to the lash line as possible. So basically, it's the same colors that we used on the top is what we're using to smoke out that lower lash line. But each layer, you go slightly above it so you get that gradient effect, if that makes sense. For my lower lash line, my lower waterline, I'm going to go in with my Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in the shade Overdrive. See how that pop of green just brings this look to life? And we're still not done yet. Next, I'm going to use my MAC Extended Play Gigablack mascara on my lower lash line. Okay, so you guys know I'm a risk taker. For my inner corner highlight, we're going to try from the same palette the shade called Eternal. And I'm going to just use that in the inner corners of my eyes. Lips, I'm going to go ahead and use my Fenty Beauty Lip Stunner in the shade Undefeated. Now this is a completed look.